Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us, and today is the first Friday of the month. So it's the NFP day, non-firm payroll. So my dear friends, market will be extremely volatile during the US session. So please be careful. Traders, beginners, new traders with low capital who are in tight spot, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. This is not magic. This is not a money-making machine. So respect your capital, observe the market, gain some experience, but do not try to gamble with your capital. Okay, you can see that this is the economic calendar. Okay, you can go to any economic calendar, change the time zone according to your country, and you will come to know after how many hours the news is coming out. So be careful. And you can see here job report, labor participation, average hourly wages, three things to watch. So three important things are job report. The non-firm payroll report for June is expected out at 8:30 ET, 12:30 GMT. Analysts expect economy added 225,000 jobs in June, down from the previous month. Labor participation, the government job report will also show labor participation rate for June. Analysts are expecting the reading to stay at the same around 62.6. And regarding hourly wages, expectation is around 0.3% for the month and 4.2% for the year. So if you really want to understand the news right after the news is out, you can take a screenshot of this data so that you can compare and analyze the market. Okay, so take a screenshot. So if you look at the chart of DXY right now, then yesterday also DXY tried to come out of the range, but DXY failed. We have been discussing this for the last couple of days, that if DXY really, dollar index really wants to continue the upside, then it will have to break 103.60, and sadly dollar index is unable to do so. Yesterday also there was some attempt, but ultimately it failed, and DXY is still trading inside the range only, 103.6 on the outside and 102.70 on the downside. This is the range of DXY right now. As long as DXY is inside the range, the market is sideways. If we look at the overall trend may be towards the upside, but right now DXY is stuck inside the range. Let's wait and watch how DXY performs after NFP. Market is expecting the dollar to go up. Let's wait and watch. But yes, as I said, DXY will have to cross 103.60. Then only we can consider it as a trend continuation like this. In case market drops, then obviously things will change drastically. That's all about DXY. I don't think so before NFP market will be going for breakout or breakdown, because usually before a big event market prefers to stay silent. Now let's look at the euro dollar chart, euro USD. Okay. Before I proceed, I would like to mention one thing very clearly, that my dear friends, it is very important to understand and know when the technicals will work, when the technicals will not work. So whatever I'll be discussing right now, it's valid before the NFP only, because when fundamentals will come into the scene, when fundamentals will dominate the market, the technicals may not work, and 90% of the time we see that our levels shatter. As a trader, as a retail trader, it is very important, extremely important to know when your levels will work, when your levels will not work. So after NFP, try to follow the trend of the market. If you see euro USD is going down, or if euro is going up, try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversal price. Okay. Anyways, news trading is extremely difficult, extremely manipulative. So beginners, okay, try to stay away. Try to close down all your dollar positions before the news only. Okay. So on the chart of euro USD, we can clearly see that market is beautifully respecting the support levels we have been discussing. Market is beautifully respecting the support of 1.0840 to 1.0835. So the support level of 1.0840, 1.0835 is still very much valid, because market has been bouncing from this level for quite some time. We can see the market has already taken support 4 times. So usually after 4 times the level becomes weak. So we most of the time we get to see a breakdown after 4 to 5 times. So next time if market comes down for some support, be careful, because there's a high chance that market will be going down. And moreover, we can also see a descending triangle pattern, clean descending triangle pattern on the chart. Usually descending triangle patterns are very powerful in a downtrend market. More or less Euro USD was in uptrend for few days, for quite few days. So as a result, the descending triangle pattern is visible on an uptrend market. Okay, so that's why we were a little bit skeptical, or I'm also a little bit I was a little bit skeptical. But yes, after market testing the support 4 times, right now there is a high chance that at one point market will break 1.0835 and go down. So if market breaks 1.0830, we can definitely look for a sell position, and this is the only trading opportunity on the chart of Euro USD right now, because it's a clear descending triangle pattern. If I take you to the weekly chart of Euro USD, then you can see that on the weekly chart we have a head and shoulder pattern formation going on. Okay, this is the shoulder formation going on. To complete the formation, Euro USD will have to go down. Okay, so it means that our descending triangle pattern from the Forex time frame will also work. And market has also already tested the level many times, so there's a good chance that market will break the support and market will start falling. If that happens, if market behaves according to expectation, we can definitely click on the sell button below 1.0830. And in case market doesn't listen to us, in case market starts going up, if you see Euro USD going up by the European session, then obviously the descending triangle pattern will be no longer valid. In that case, you can look for some resistance around. You can look for some resistance around 1.0940 to 1.0930. This will be the next immediate resistance on the chart of Euro USD. Before NFP, you can expect the market to face some serious selling pressure around this area because of strong price rejection previously. If you see market struggling around this area, market showing price rejection from above, will give it a confirmation that sellers are still present and you can look for a sell. So this is the second trading opportunity on the chart of Euro USD if Euro USD surprises us by breaking the descending triangle pattern. Right now Euro USD is standing at the trend line. The trend line is also acting as dynamic resistance for quite some time. If you already have taken a sell position, you can be on the trade, or if you're planning to take a sell position, you can go for a sell position also, okay, but with proper risk management. So that's your personal call, but personally I am not trading on trend lines for the last couple of months because okay, I'm not getting the gut feeling for the trend lines. This is my honest confession. Okay, we all have our trading strategies, but I'm not trading. That doesn't mean that the trend lines are not valid. Okay, so if you want to go for a sell position, you can go for it, but yes, these levels seem to be better trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD right now. Okay. And my dear friends, probably you know it very well right now that the Hindi workshop has almost come to an end, and if you're still interested and have not signed up for the English workshop that is starting from tomorrow, you can still sign up. If you're new to the channel, then you must know that this is the 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can check out the link in the description. I have pasted a video link so that you can get the complete idea of what's this all about. Okay, so if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income and you really like my work, then you can consider joining the 3 days workshop. It's the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. Feel free to check them out. Bye bye, take care, and as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.